burnt out, stressed out, overworked, hating what you're doing, you have been lied to. You have been sold the lie of working hard. Imagine waking up and you are calm, relaxed, centered, and at ease. You are creating and living your dream life. Gone are the days of being overworked, stressed out, confused. You are creating your reality. Grace Covington, and yes, we have been lied to. We have been sold the lie of working hard. What if you could create everything that you desire, the money that you require, the business of your dreams, living the lifestyle of your dreams while working less and not working hard? That is the truth of your reality. You can have this as your reality without working hard, without burning out, without feeling stressed. This lie of hard work creates results is a lie to keep you working hard and keep you stressed out. There is an alternative, a more generative way, a more sustainable way to creating everything you desire in your life while doing less. Let me repeat that, while doing less. And the way that you're able to create this, I facilitate in my program called Monetize and Work Less, where you are taking the ideas you have. Yes, because you still have to create your life. You still have to create your reality. I'm not saying just sit back and do nothing. Part of generating and creating what you desire in your life is taking action and creating the life that you desire and bringing in the income that is more than enough to support the lifestyle of your dreams. And what we do in this program is a 3-step process. One is taking a look at your ideas, the ideas that you have, the things that you thought in your head, I would love to get paid for this, but you're not getting paid for them. Monetizing those ideas and getting paid. The second step is looking at your mindset, because sometimes what the gap is between taking your idea and actually getting paid is your mindset. There are so many women who believe they do not deserve to get paid for what they know, or they're not good enough. There are lots of doubts and fears that they have. And if you are not willing to look at these things, you're going to have a hard time monetizing your ideas. You most likely won't be successful because your point of view does create your reality. So we look at destroying these points of views for good. And you're not going to be spending 20 years, 30 years trying to change these things in therapy. These things will dissipate and release once you acknowledge exactly what they are. The third is this life of ease and working less, y'all. You can still have what you desire in your life while working less. You are taught a number of tools. One, it's systems, having the systems in place that allow you to automate with ease, where people may be thinking that you're actually working, but Charlie, you're at the beach, you're relaxing, and you're still monetizing and you're still thriving. Uh, Second part in this 3-step process is with creating with ease is unlearning working hard. If you've been working hard most of your life, you're going to have to unlearn all of that stuff that you've learned around what it means to work hard. Or if you're not working hard, what do you make that mean? So all the meanings that you've had around working hard and having an easy life. We dive into that so you can intimately start living this beautiful life where you are generating repeatable income, scaling your business to 10K months while living the lifestyle of your dreams. This program is powerful. It's transformational. All the women that I work with, they start to truly step into the power and potency of one, taking your ideas, and you'll still have a lot of ideas flowing through, taking action, monetizing them, and getting paid. So you may be wondering, like, hey, I got a lot of ideas. I feel overwhelmed just by thinking about the amount of ideas I have. And I love to work with women who are in that space because I am exactly like that. I have a ton of ideas, but this process facilitates ease in simplifying the process of taking all the ideas you have, monetizing them, and creating repeatable income with ease. You just have to dive in, jump in so you can experience it for yourself because it is one of the most nurturing processes that you can receive. You're one, monetizing your ideas. Two, you're working less. Three, you're living the lifestyle of your dreams. So I've made it easy for y'all because I know some of y'all like to get a taste of things. You like to experience what this will be like in your life. I have a free workbook, so sign up. It's called Monetize and Work Less. In 5 days, if you follow the steps in this workbook, you can start to generate an income from one of your ideas, but you have to take the action to be able to do that. So I've laid it out for you. It's free. There is no commitment. Totally free for you. Go and play with this and see where you want to begin. So like really start to begin. I said see where you want to begin, but it's really you're beginning. You're taking the action, you're diving in, and you're moving forward. If you're like, girl, I'm ready. I'm ready to start this. 2023 is a brand new year. I want to monetize. I want to work less. I want to do less. Go ahead, schedule a free call so we can have a conversation about what that will look like for you and then move you into this space in 2023. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Otherwise, make sure you are subscribed. You turn on the alerts so you know when my next video is coming out. Have a fabulous day.